We have changed our name again. Hey guys, this is Aaron, and as you can probably see, I have changed my YouTube channel name. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So, we are going to be covering HTML. I am programmer 123 now, and I kind of like programming. I'm working on learning CSS right now, but for now, I'm going to show you HTML. These are the basic things you need to have an HTML programming. First, you need a notepad. It's on the Windows computer, if you're wondering, and you just need these simple commands. Just these simple commands. Okay, so now we shall get into the thick of things. First, there's HTML. Well, the HTML stuff is all about tags. Because they have starting tag and ending tag, and whatever you want has to be in the middle. The ending tags always have a slash in, like this. They always have a slash in them. And speaking of that, inside your head tag, you need a title. So I'm going to call this the Pokemon. And let's see. So we go to the body, and I will teach you some very simple tags. These are the base tags that you need. You need the you need the H tags, and you need the P tags. The P tags are probably the most important tags in programming because that's what makes words. But the H tags are also pretty important. So, H tags are basically whatever number you have in them. The lower than it goes through 8, I think. But the lower number you have, the bigger the heading is. It stands for heading 1, and the lower the number is, the bigger and more important the heading is. And we need to remember our slash there. And we shall get started. I'm going to make all these videos 10 minutes long, just to let you know. I'll at least try, and let's get started. So, we can have our title be the Pokemon theme songs, because everyone loves the Pokemon theme songs. And it's because that's why people watch Pokemon. So I'm not doing this to show you about the theme songs. I'm just doing this to show you about programming, which I will show you. And if you put your requests in the comments that you want me to do, and I will do it. And you can't say game because that we'll have to get into a whole different language of programming called batch. But I'll cover that later. So we got our P tag, so that we just need to add some text in. We could say, just a minute, I am going to be right back. Hey guys, I'm back and I got the lyrics. So, let's put it in our P tag, and I don't want some of this song. This is the full song. I just want the entry listen to it enough times to know the entry. So lands. Okay, so I should delete the part from here. There we go. That's the entry theme song. So there's something missing. We have our P tag. We have the ending for our P tag. Even if we don't, I'm just going to add it. Okay, so anyway, we got our P tag, but there's something wrong. HTML just ignores spaces and stuff like that, so you need to put the most important tag. It's called the BR tag. It stands for break, so it's the BR tag. You have to put in front of every single spot that you want there to be a break. Every single spot. So I will be right back. So now we got all the breaks that we want in it. I kind of freshened it up a little bit, and we can move on. Well, maybe I want to have a title to the first theme song. So I will put H2 for a less important title, and H2. I'll do that, and then I'll do gotta catch 'em all. Gotta catch 'em all. So we got all our stuff. We got it all set up. Oops. That's not right. Now we can move on. Okay, after that awkward pause, we can move on. Now we don't think it's interesting. It's just plain old boring text. So we can make it more fun by adding M in strong tags, which italicize and bold it. The M tag, it italicizes it, and strong tag bolds it. I want to finish up in a few minutes because I won't have time to show you what we made. So I want to be the very best, like no one ever was. So if I want ever to stand out, I can go like this, and it will italicize it for me. And that is really cool. And I could even put an M inside a strong tag if I really wanted to. So you can pretty much have fun with this function. Strong. There's strong tag. And that's finished. Like no one ever was. That is my cause. I think you need to bold cause because it's pretty loud. I just at least add a couple exclamation points at the end of it. But just for example, I can put the strong tag there. Oh, sorry, look at the time. And we are going to look at what we've made. Hit Control S. I think that'll work. Or you could just save it manually. Let's see. I can make it a few minutes longer. So, the most important thing is you can name it whatever you want. Pokemon. But the most important thing is that you have to do .html. Pokemon.html. So we need to make this as an HTML. So we can save it. And it should be here somewhere. Just a minute. Let's see. HTML. Pokemon.html. Pokemon. So you can look at it and it's in HTML. So if you want to see what we created, just go type in what you saved it as out there and you'll find it. See, this is what we created. Here, type together. This is what we created. We created this page. We can create lots of other fun things with this coding. And I will see you next time for another video. Remember, try this out on your own. And please comment on what you want me to do next.